Lesson 2, Numbers and Sequences, Congruence Modulo. This is presented by Superfast Learners. A new symbol is introduced. This triple line symbol, congruent to. Please read this symbol as congruent to. Similar to, equal to, this is congruent to. In certain books and in internet websites, this symbol is used. However, we will use this symbol. Congruence modulo. Modular arithmetic deals with a system of arithmetic for integers where numbers wrap around a certain value. Normal number system, numbers are going in an increasing order continuously. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, up to 19, then 20, 21, then 30, 31 and so on. Coming to the hours of the day, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 24 hours. Then again 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours, then 24 hours. Like that, after 24 hours, the hours of the day repeat. Reminders on division by 3, for example, the dividends 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, when divided by 3, give reminders 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0 and so on. The time in our wall clock and wristwatches is from 1 o'clock to 12 o'clock only, after which it becomes 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock and so on. After reaching 12 o'clock again, it goes to 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock and so on. The time wraps around 12 o'clock. The numbers in the clock or timeline repeat cyclically from 1 to 12 and again 1 to 12 and so on. Now, in the division of 7 by 7, we get a remainder 0. Dividing 8 by 7, remainder is 1. Dividing 9 by 7, remainder 2. 10 divided by 7, remainder 3. Then 14 divided by 7, remainder is 0. 15 divided by 7, remainder is 1. The remainders from 0 to 6, they keep on increasing. Again, they go from 0 to 6 and so on. The remainders on division by 7 of successively increasing numbers wrap around 0 to 6. Dealing with numbers which wrap around hitting a particular value is called modular arithmetic. Since in division of numbers by some number, the remainders wrap around particular value, they are going in a cyclic way. Pictorial way of finding remainder when dividing by a number. Let us find out remainder when 5 is divided by 3. Possible remainders are 0, 1, 2. When we divide any number by 3, only these 3 remainders are possible. Make a clock with 3 numbers 0, 1 and 2. This is the clock with only 3 numbers 0, 1, 2. The rule, starting from 0, go to 1, 2, then again to 0, 1, 2 and so on. From 0 to 1 is one step, from 1 to 2 is next step and so on. Therefore, to get remainder in 5 division 3, go 5 steps and the hour of the clock or number at the 5th step is the remainder. From 0, we make 5 steps clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th step we reach 2. Hence the remainder is 2. When to move anti-clockwise? Case of dividing a negative number, that is dividend is negative, move anti-clockwise. Let us find out remainder when 11 divided by 3. Here 11 steps we have to make clockwise from 0. 1, 2, second step, third step, 4, 5, 6th step, 7, 8, 9th step, 10, 11th step we reach at 2. Hence the remainder when 11 is divided by 3 is 2. Pictorial way of finding remainder when dividing a negative number. Here minus 5 by plus 3. As we have already told, the movements are in anti-clockwise direction starting from the smallest remainder 0. From 0 anti-clockwise direction 5 steps are to be moved. First, second step, third step, fourth step, fifth step, we get 1 as remainder. Therefore, minus 5 divided by 3, remainder is 1. If we divide 7 and 12 by 5, we get remainder 2. 17, 22, 27, 32, 37. All these numbers when divided by 5 will give same remainder 2. These are equivalent in respect of remainders on division by 5. Numbers which leave 5 as a remainder when divided by 10 are 5, 15, 25, 115, 5555, etc. What is this property in mathematics? That is the property in which all numbers give the same remainder when divided by a common divisor. Consider the difference between two numbers 5 and 15. Is it divisible by 10? 15 minus 5 equal to 10, divisible by 10. 552 minus 12 is divisible by 5. Numbers whose difference is divisible by n are said to be congruent modulo n. We have come to the topic now. Numbers whose difference is divisible by n are said to be congruent modulo n. N is the divisor. Congruence modulo. If a minus b is divisible by n, or a and b will give the same remainder when divided by n, then a is congruent to b mod n. This you can replace by the triple line symbol. This also means a minus b equal to kn for some k. That is, a minus b will be k times multiple of n. That is, a minus b will be multiples of the divisor. The divisor n is called modulo. Two integers a and b are congruence modulo n if they differ by an integral multiple of n. If a is congruent to b mod n, then b also congruent to a mod n. A and b are subjected to modulo operation by n. Here a table is given. A, b given, the divisor n is given, then a minus b. A minus b by n is given. Wherever a minus b by n is an integer, then it is a modulo operator. Then we say yes. First, 4, 7. N is 3. 4 minus 7 is 3. 3 by 3 is 1. Therefore, it is a modulo operator. Then 4, 7. Divisor is 2. Difference between a and b is 3. A minus b by n is 1.5. Therefore, it is not a modulo operator. 45, 57. Divisor is 4. Difference between a and b is 12. 12 by 4 is 3. Therefore, it is a modulo operator. 201, 321. N is 40. Difference between a and b 120. Difference divided by n is 3. Yes. 124, 241 is 13. Difference 117. Dividing by n we get 9. Yes. Fill in the following table such that a less than b and a and b are congruent modulo n in the table. Also fill the table in all columns for each row. In the table, a, b, n, b minus a, b minus a by n are given. Values for a, n, in some cases b, b minus a given. Then where b is not there, we have to fill the suitable value so that b minus a by n is whole number. First case, a is 13, n is 3. We should choose b such that a less than b. Therefore, number greater than a is to be chosen. Now, if we choose 16 as b, then 16 minus 13 will be 3. Therefore, 3 by 3 will be 1. Coming to 47, divisor is 2. Therefore, number greater than 47 in multiples of 2. 49. 49 will give b minus a 2. Then b minus a by n will be 1. Then 26. Divisor is 11. We can add 11, 22, 33, any multiple of 11 and fill it in the b column. This will become whole number. Here one example completely filled. A is 11, b 20. Then b minus a will be 9. 9 by 9, 1. A 11, b 38. Then b minus a will be 27. 27 by 9, 3. 45, b is not given. N is 21. Now 45 plus any multiple of 21 will be b value. 45 plus 21, 66. That case b minus a will be 21. then 21 by 21 will be 1 whole number. Like this, you can fill up all the columns. Write all possible n values in the following table such that A and B are congruent modulo n. 13, 25. Since the difference is 12, n can be 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. 26, 266. The difference between them is 240. Therefore, n has lot of choices. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 5 and so on. 117, 347. The difference is 230. Therefore, n can be 23, 10, 5, 2. You can fill the table yourself. In modulo operations, the two numbers congruent are giving same remainder when divided by the modulo. If one of the two numbers is remainder of the division itself, then what it means? Then also the congruence holds good. Here A is congruent to R mod n. R is the remainder. R is congruent to A mod n. For example, 22 divided by 4 gives remainder 2. Hence, we write 22 is congruent to 2 mod 4 or 2 is congruent to 22 mod 4. This type of remainder calculations very much used in problems in this chapter. Examples: 22 congruent to 122 mod 100. This 22 is the remainder when the number 122 is divided by 100. 33 congruent to 3 mod 5. Here 3 is the remainder in this division. 0 congruent to 12 mod 3. 3 congruent to 3 mod 8. 5 congruent to 145 mod 7. 7 congruent to 79 mod 24. What is 20 mod 3? There are infinite answers. Since 20 gives a remainder of 2 when divided by 3, all multiples of 3 plus 2 will be the answers. So, 5, 8, 11, 14 and so on are answers. Therefore, 5 is congruent to 20 mod 3. 8 is congruent to 20 mod 3. 14 congruent to 20 mod 3 and so on. Similarly, 302, 305, 308, 311 all are correct answers. What is the least possible answer in the above question? 2, which is simply the remainder in the division of 20 by 3. This is the least possible answer. Examples: 122 mod 100 equal to 22, which is the remainder when divided by 100. 3 mod 5, the remainder is 3. Special case where the dividend and remainder are same. 12 mod 3 is 0. 127 mod 60 is 6. 79 mod 24 equal to 7. Properties of modulo operator. A congruent to B mod M implies B congruent to A mod M. Also, A congruent to B mod M implies A mod M congruent to B mod M. The main meaning of these two equations is A and B are of the same class with respect to modulo M. Numerically, A and B are not equal, but in terms of the remainder they give when divided by M, they are equal, since both give the same remainder. Example: 2 congruent to 27 mod 5. Then we can write 27 congruent to 2 mod M. Here, numerically 2 and 27 are not equal. These numbers are equivalent in terms of the remainder they give on division by 5. Numerically, they are not equal. Properties of modulo operator. A congruent to B mod M implies B congruent to A mod M. A is congruent to A itself mod M. Example: 7 congruent to 7 mod 3. 41 congruent to 41 mod 3. Also, A congruent to B mod M implies A mod M congruent to B mod M. How? Because both give the same remainder on division by M. Properties of modulo operator. Theorem 5. A, B, C and D are integers and M is a positive integer such that A congruent to B mod M and C congruent to D mod M. Then either side of the congruent symbol take addition. A plus C congruent to B plus D mod M. Then do minus operation on either side of this symbol. A minus C congruent to B minus D mod M. Then multiplication. A into C congruent to B into D mod M. Congruence modulo. Summary so far. Congruent to means similar to or of the same type or of the same class or group. Two numbers A and B are congruent to one another modulo M if both give the same remainder when divided by M, or A minus B or B minus A is divisible by M. For example, 17 and 10,007 are congruent modulo 10. This is indicated as A congruent to B mod M. This triple line symbol. This similar to your congruent symbol in geometry. Symbol for congruent to is this triple line symbol. Congruence modulo apply to integer dividends and positive integral divisor. Congruence modulo is the property by which a very small number and very large number are considered similar but not equal. Summary continued. B mod M has infinite numbers congruent to it modulo M. For example, 2 mod 11 is congruent to 13, 24, 112, 1102 and 11k plus 2 in general. Remainder R of division of A by M is congruent to A. If A equal to BQ plus R, then A is congruent to R mod M or R is congruent to A mod M. However, there are infinite integers congruent to A or R with the same modulo M. Equations with congruent to symbol are added, subtracted, multiplied on respective sides of it if they are with the same modulo. 0 is congruent to 20 mod 4 but 0 not equal to 20. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe.